In this video, we're going to learn a little bit about fractions. So if we have a question like this one that shows you a bar that has some rectangles, and then we have a three-part question here, and it says the fraction bar has blank equal parts. So we need to figure out how many equal parts are in this fraction bar. Each part is blank of the whole. So we need to figure out how much each part is worth in this whole. And then how much of the whole is shaded. So you need to figure out the fraction for that. So the best way to do this is to take a look at a fraction bar. So we have a whole that's worth 1, right? Then you take that whole and you divide it into 2. So that's halves, 2 equal parts. Then instead, if you break it into 3 equal parts, you have thirds. Or if you break it into 4 equal parts, you have fourths, and so on. So to answer the first part of this question, we just need to figure out how many of these little rectangular bars there are. So let's count them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's eighths. This bar is divided up into 8 equal parts. So that's the answer to the first part. So let's put that in. So it has 8 equal parts. So now to answer the next one, each part is what part of the whole? So we already know that each part is eighths. It's an eighths. So each part is 1/8 of the whole. So let's write that in. So it's 1/8, 1/8. And how much of the whole is shaded? So let's just count the shaded parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of those are shaded. So we put 5 here. So 5 out of the 8 are shaded. So that's 5/8. And that's the answer to the entire question. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You can just rewind the video and watch it again.